Good morning, children. This video is the second part of the lesson that I taught you in my previous class, class 4th, lesson science. From science I have taken food we eat, and I taught you about the food, the nutrients present in the food, water, roughage. Did I teach you now? And I taught you there are nutrients, 5 types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, so now in this part 2 video we are going to study what is balanced diet. As I told you in my previous video, we are going to discuss about a balanced diet. Children, a diet which has all the nutrients in right amounts, or you can say in right proportion, like carbohydrates bhi ho, proteins bhi ho, food fats bhi ho, vitamins also, minerals also, in a right amount. That diet is called a balanced diet. वो एक बैलेंस डाइट होती है जो हमें लेनी चाहिए. हमें ऐसी डाइट नहीं लेनी चाहिए जिसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की मात्रा ज्यादा हो. The food which is rich in fats or the food which is simply rich in proteins. We should take a diet which has right amount of all the nutrients. That is called a balanced diet. Okay. Now the second thing comes, why we should take balanced diet? Because a balanced diet helps in proper functioning of our body. If you will take a balanced diet, your body will function properly. Okay. And if you take protein rich food like milk, pulses, fish, these should be taken moderately. Means don't make it a regularly, you can take it moderately, thoda means. Okay, fruits and vegetables must be taken in a very good amount. Fruits and vegetables ज़्यादा खाने चाहिए, फल और सब्जियां, क्योंकि I told you they come in the category of protective foods. They will prevent us from getting ill or from diseases. Okay, that is why they should be taken in good amount. Means ज़्यादा खाने चाहिए. Oil, butter, ghee should be taken very little amount in our diet. आपको अगर रोज की डाइट में देखें तो oil, ghee, butter, चिकना food जो है, that is fatty food, you should take in very little amount. Why? मैंने बताया था because it is not digested easily. It takes a lot of time to digest this food. I told you. तो इसीलिए इसको daily diet में oil, ghee को कम रखना है. Okay? And what we should do, तो करना क्या है? We should eat variety of food from each group daily. मतलब हमें अपनी डाइट ऐसे बनानी है कि हर ग्रुप का फूड हम ले रहे हैं अपनी डाइट में. Do you understand? I told you 3 groups: energy giving foods, then I told you bodybuilding foods, protective foods. तो इन तीनों ग्रुप्स का, among all the 3 groups, we should take in our diet there should be the food should have one component from each of the groups. That is called a complete balanced diet. That diet we should take, okay, daily. And now what is junk food? The children nowadays, you go to markets and you eat pizzas and burgers and chow mein, that is called a junk food. इसे junk food कहते हैं. You know why junk food क्यों कहते हैं इसको? Because उसकी nutritional value बहुत कम होती है. Low nutritional value means उसके अंदर nutritional value means nutrients. इसका मतलब उसमें nutrients बहुत कम होते हैं, जिससे आपकी body की growth उतनी easy अच्छी नहीं होगी जितना कि balanced diet खाने से होगी. Okay, and the second thing is जो बाहर का खाना होता है junk food, they have high fat, शुगर और सॉल्ट कंटेंट. हो सकता है बाहर का केक खा रहे हैं तो उसमें शुगर कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, कितना फैटी, वो उसमें फैटी एसिड बहुत ज्यादा है. अगर आप हाई फैट और शुगर और सॉल्ट कंटेंट बाहर के फूड में ज्यादा रहता है. एंड जो बैलेंस डाइट घर पे मम्मा बनाती है लाइक पल्सेस, राइस, यू कंज्यूम इट डेली, उसमें हम लोग अपने हिसाब से डालते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा डाइट प्रोवाइड करते हैं घर पे. सो प्लीज अवॉइड ईटिंग जंक फूड. बाहर का खाना मत खाइएगा. नाउ हाउ कैन यू टेक केयर ऑफ फूड? सी, We should never waste food. आपको अपनी प्लेट में उतना ही खाना डालना है जितना आप खा सकें. You can refill your plate afterwards. बाद में फिर से और ले सकते हैं. But never waste food because in India you see many children are dying with hunger. They are not getting food, children. So please, you can fill your plates in small quantities. आप अपनी प्लेट को बाद में दोबारा भर सकते हैं. Food should be preserved to avoid getting spoiled. जो ऐसा फूड अगर हम मार्केट से लाए हैं उसको हमें फ्रिज में रख देना चाहिए, स्पेशली फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स जो जल्दी स्पॉइल हो जाते हैं, जल्दी खराब हो जाते हैं, उन्हें हमें पहले कंज्यूम कर लेना चाहिए एज कंपेयर टू अदर फूड, है ना। दूसरे फूड के कंपैरिजन में हमें पेरिशेबल फूड्स मीन्स जो इजीली स्पॉइल हो जाते हैं, दैट कैन स्पॉइल इजीली, जो जल्दी खराब हो जाते, सड़ जाती हैं सब्जियां और फल, तो उनको पहले कंज्यूम कर लीजिए rather than the other foods. Okay? And the dry food, जो घर पे ड्राई फूड आता है, जैसे कि बिस्किट्स, जैसे कि कुछ भी ड्राई फूड्स, रस्क, ब्रेड, ड्राई फूड जो होता है, सूखा वाला खाना, उसको एयर टाइट कंटेनर में रखेंगे, मतलब जिसमें हवा ना आ जा सके, बिकॉज व्हेन एयर विल एंटर इन द container, then it will spoil the food, so keep dry food in the airtight containers. And the last thing in this chapter is food we eat is plants. The main and the major role is about the plants. They are the producers of the food. Most of the food comes from plants or not. We get food from fruits, vegetables. Basic thing we get from plants. They are the producers, children, of the food. So plant more trees, more and more trees. That will make the atmosphere also fresh. We'll get clean air for breathing, and plus we will get more and more healthy food to consume. So I hope now this lesson, food we eat, is completely explained to you and you have thoroughly understood. And if not, please do let me know. You can comment me whatever problem you have. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.